So the kickstand is good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it on down.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, sitting on, man, I still go.
I'm ready to do an oil change and a fluid change on the bike, and I need some height. So I went to where did I go? To Harbor Freight. And I brought this 1,500-pound Pittsburgh 1,500-pound ATV motorcycle jack. I know it looks difficult, so I'm gonna get it out of there and see if I could put it together and get this done. All right, there we are. Okay, let's see what we got here. Go through all of this stuff because I feel it drizzling. Oh, have this. We have the foot pedal. I guess this is the hydraulic jack. At least that's all put together. The springs, I was hoping not to have to mess with the springs. It looked like I have 2 bolts here I'm gonna have to put in. And this baby is pretty longer than I thought. But you can watch it with me. Let's see here. Pull it out of the box. And I think for the most part, I'll be working on this side. Take these out so I can mount this. And let's see if this is gonna actually do what I need to do, if it's strong enough. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Like a charm. Like a charm. Okay. So I have those done. Because I have to mount this here. And so I just have these Allen wrench drill bits that I can just put on the drill. Makes it a lot easier than trying to hand tighten it. I'm trying to make it as tight as I can get it. It's pretty tight. But it's gonna hold my motorcycle, so I gotta make sure.
How much that weight?
What? This a whole 1,500 pounds. The motorcycle is not about 600 pounds, so it should hold just fine. It actually comes up, it goes up in there, and it latches in, and this hole has to match this hole. So have to do is get this spring back on, and hopefully that's not difficult. So I'm gonna pull it up. Oh, it was actually fairly easy. So I've got the spring back on there. Snug them as much as I can without busting my knuckles. Okay, and that's what's gonna help lift this up. Look like this is gonna sit right there, so I need to put the other one in on the other side. So I see one bolt here. I'm not sure where it goes. Look like it goes where the foot pedal goes. So it has a hole there. I just have to line the hole up here. And with the bolt here. Now what you want to bet that this bolt is not a ½ inch. So let's see. Why do you have to make parts with 15 different sizes? I don't know. So look like this 9/16 will work. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Here we go. So I'm gonna put that. So that's your foot pedal right there. You see it? Quarter pin. And the middle note, the back straight end go in like this. So here, you take that out. And I don't know if it's this way or this way. To put that in, you have a hole there. Add that in, and only thing that's gonna hold it is this quarter pin. I said the straight end go in first. And secure it like that, and that should do it. I mean that's the only thing that's gonna hold it. So I believe that's it for putting it together, but now it says I have to bleed it. Before first use, check the proper hydraulic oil level in the bottle in the jack. Yes. So I did the test and everything looks pretty good. This is the one. It's the Pittsburgh 1,500 pound capacity. 60536. See it? And you notice I had a medic to come in, and what happened was I have to jack it up and show you. So you have to bring this. This is okay. So you just pump it up. Pump it up. It pumps really easy. I mean, it's really smooth, and it goes up, and it drops down. These 3 bolts are the stops, and the problem is once you put it back on one of the stops, what happened is, you see this little piece that holds this? When you want to get it off, you pull it back, and if I'm over here and it grabbed me right there and cut me here. Then I was on the opposite side, did the same thing, and it cut me there. So you just have to make sure you hold it on the right side, standing in the back. Hold it on the right side and then pick it up. And you want to lower it. The wheels don't have a lock on them, but I guess once the motorcycle is on it, I guess it's gonna hold, but we'll see. Okay, as you can see, I got it jacked up, so works pretty good. I'm gonna show you how I got there. I have this release, and you have to release that, and it is really hard. So let's see, make sure. We're gonna go down with it just a little bit. I'm holding it with one hand at the top, and we're just gonna release. I have it locked right here, so, and this is how I cut my hand here and here, pulling this back, and you have to watch that. So I'm gonna pull it back. I really need my son out here for an extra hand, because it's kind of heavy, but the whole weight of the bike is on it. So I'm gonna lift it just a little more, and it's on those lifts, so just come here just to lift it just a little more. Just enough where I have room to pull these back. So let's see. There you are. So once you get that pulled back, now I can drop this, and let's see, I don't know how fast it's gonna go, but let's see. It goes down pretty smoothly. It's down actually. So the kickstand is good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it on down. And it feels like it's gonna fall, but the kickstand has it. But it really freaks you out because you think it's gonna fall. If I didn't have that kickstand down on the opposite side, it would have just flipped on over. But the kickstand is down and it's securing it just fine. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. You have these 3 stops right there, like your brakes. I really don't like the design. It is sticking up like this, but it's supposed to hold it back like that, but I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I raise it up. You should be able to do it by yourself. You're supposed to pull a bike back like this and just pump it on up. Now it feels funny, it feels wobbly, like right there, but it actually catches it and stabilizes it. It's going up. There we go. And it's pretty stable right now. I do not have the locks or the stops on there yet, but I'm just showing you how stable it is. I mean, I can push it, it's pretty stable. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead on up because I gotta get at least one of those locks in there, the lock stop. So you gotta come up high enough where the locks go down like that. Make sure they're down. For some reason, this one seems shorter than this one. And so I'm gonna hold it down as far as I can get it, like this, and then you're supposed to let it down until it catches on those latches. Okay, see right there, it caught on the latch right here. I'm not happy with the one over here because it feels like it's sitting on top, so you have to hold it down. Maybe it's some type of adjustment I have to do. So I got it down, and I'm gonna go in here. All right, it shook the bike, but it's pretty good, and it's pretty stable. It goes up pretty high, as you can see on the first one. So there you have it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. It's about 100 degrees here in Houston, Texas. I was hot. I had to go and freshen up and put on new clothes. Thank you for watching the video to the end. So what do you think about the jack? It's not going to work for me. So I'm sure there's a jack out there that I can use. My motorcycle is pretty low. I'm sure some of you out there have low motorcycles. What type of jack you use? Put it in the comment. What jack should I try next? Put it in the comments. And if you like this type of content, please hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Keep tools on the ground and make sure you slide your ride your way. Hey, and if you like this video, you'll really like the next one. I'll see you in the next video.